A1989 MacBook Pro A1989. After replacing the BIOS and entering the serial key, we assemble the board in system. Now this system is only 5 volt and 55 amp. This system is now in DFU. We have to upgrade this system with the help of another Mac and restore OS in this another Mac with the help of our working Mac. This is a restoring process. And 4 of 4 step. See, this is now 5 volt, only 5 volt. Now it's convert 5 to 20. This is converted 5 to 20 volt. See, 4 of 4. And this Mac need to on now. After the process complete, this Mac is powered on with the help of this Mac, and we have to install new Mac OS. This is a very lengthy process. Installation of Mac OS, it's depend on your internet speed. See, it's taken battery ampere also. 4 of 4. When it's complete, then this Mac is on and we have to install Mac OS.